Hello, I'm Congresswoman Anna Eshoo. Today, I'd like to talk to you about how current immigration laws are affecting tens of thousands of LGBT families across America. Discriminatory policies, whether on the basis of sexual orientation, gender identity, age, race, or any other attribute, are contrary to the principles of justice and equality which our nation was founded on. For over a decade, I've worked hard and co-sponsored legislation to protect and advance the civil rights of LGBT Americans, including their right to be treated fairly under our nation's immigration laws. I was thrilled when the Obama administration announced earlier this year that it would treat LGBT families the same as any other family in deportation proceedings. Under the administration's new guidelines, an LGBT person who has a U.S. citizen as a spouse, child, or parent will be treated by federal immigration officials as a, quote, low-priority candidate for deportation. This means that LGBT families living in the United States will no longer be torn apart because one partner loses his or her immigration status. While this decision by the administration is welcome, there is still much more Congress can and should do. For example, under current law, same-sex couples who have loved and depended on each other for decades have no ability to sponsor their loved ones under family-based immigration rules. This is because immigration authorities are prohibited from formally recognizing same-sex marriages or permanent partnerships for incoming immigrants. This is wrong, and as a founding member of the Congressional LGBT Equality Caucus, I have fought to change this law for over a decade. I'm proud to be a longtime supporter of the United American Families Act, a bill that ensures that a permanent partner or same-sex spouse is considered a family member under our immigration policies. I'll continue working to advance this legislation, and I hope Congress will pass it into law soon. The late Senator Ted Kennedy once said that he believed that America must sail toward the shores of liberty and justice for all. I couldn't agree more. As a new Congress begins, I will continue the fight for justice and equality for all Americans. Thank you.